Hey everybody, giving you an up-close look, review, and demo of this grill mat, and actually this can be used for more than just beneath the grills, and I'll get into that in just a bit, but let's talk about the details of this. So this is a fire-resistant material. It is meant to be placed under a heat source to protect your deck or patio from food spills, grease splashes, and burning embers. According to the product description, this particular mat is made from 3-layer, high-quality silicone-coated fiberglass, which can withstand high temperatures of 1800 degrees Fahrenheit, and it is basically going to make sure that your wood or surface that's beneath that heat source is going to be protected. Now, how does it do this? It has those silicone layers that I talked about, and then a refractory glass fiber that also helps with the protection. It is glass fiber material, which is high temperature resistance without combustion. Also, it's easy to clean. Now, because this is going to be beneath a grill, for example, I found it to catch a lot of dirt and get dirty quickly. That's its job, so that shouldn't come as a surprise, but at the same time, you don't want that to stay there. But all you have to do is just hose it off, and it's very easy to clean. It's also waterproof and oil resistant, so this is really going to help in a lot of different ways. This particular one that you're looking at is 40 inches by 65 inches. And it doesn't have to be just for grills. You can put this in your bedroom near a fireplace or in the living room near the fireplace. You can have this at one of those outdoor fire pits. Anything that has a heat source where you want some protection. And one of the things that you should make note of is to not put the heat source directly on the grill mat, and to leave at least 10 inches of space between the fireproof mat and the heat source. So I happen to really like the design of this, and just knowing that whatever surface is beneath, that it's going to be protected. And that's your up close look at this grill mat. I hope it helped. Thanks for watching.